All right, I want to go over a shop inventory sheet. This is performed by the lead tech once a week, every week. We're going to do this on a Friday morning. We're going to come in half an hour early on Friday mornings. And this is the job of the lead tech. At this time, the assistant tech will be washing the truck and vacuuming it out and getting everything cleaned up with the rig. So you'll do this, you'll grab this sheet and a clipboard, fill in the date and your name. All of these items here, we have an item and then the description of what it is or what it's used for. These are all the supplies that we're going to keep at the shop on the shelves. This doesn't include what's in your truck or what's being used. These are extra stocked parts on the shelf at the shop. And we can categorize them on the shelves to match this sheet, so it's a little easier for you to keep track and go through them all. So you're going to literally count how many we have of each item, and then you're going to write that number here. Current count, what we have on hand. Number, number, number. So this whole column will be all filled out with numbers. So if we have 6 couplers, if these are the big couplers that we use on our pressure hoses, you're going to write 6. Pretty self-explanatory. So anytime this number is below the number I've put here, you're going to put a check mark here. That way I'll know that we need to order more couplers. Okay? If somebody broke a spray gun and had to grab a new one off the shelf, and you come in on Friday morning and do an inventory, and now we've only got 1 spray gun in stock, that's less than 2, you put a check mark here, I'll get another one ordered. So that's how it's going to work. I've left some blank spaces here in case we get something new and you just fill it in here by hand. Okay, and I'll see that, and then I'll revise this document and get it on there permanently. I'm sure maybe there's some things I've forgotten since this is version 1.0. So that's what these blank spaces are here for. And once you get all the supplies inventoried, move over to the chemicals. Same thing, gutter scrub, house wash, bleach, all the materials to make deck stripper. Okay, you're going to see how much we have of it. You're going to put it here. If we've got less than 2 buckets of gutter scrub, check mark. I don't care if it's a bucket and a half, put 1.5. Still less than 2 full buckets, check mark. And then I'll order more. So that's how that works. So this whole column will be filled out. Anything less than the number next to the right of it, if it's less, then you'll put a check mark. I'll get it ordered. Okay? You sign it when you're done and then turn it in to me. That is your shop inventory sheet that we are going to do every Friday morning.